In this short video, we'll demonstrate how you can convert your MS Word document into interactive e-learning tutorials with AI tutors to guide the learners. In today's educational landscape, instructors face a significant challenge. Converting classroom MS Word lectures into engaging and interactive e-learning content has traditionally been time-consuming and technically demanding. Introducing Instancy AI agent-based learning platform, the revolutionary solution that transforms MS Word documents into interactive e-learning experiences.
Your MS Word document may contain regular text or content for quiz questions. Getting started is simple. Upload your existing MS Word presentation through our intuitive interface. Select all the multimedia, interactivity, and quiz options you'd like AI to generate. Select the MS Word as the data source. Click on Generate with AI, then click Next. Watch as our AI transforms your MS Word document into a fully interactive tutorial, complete with text, images, audio narration, and even automated assessments.
Fine-tune your content using our user-friendly authoring tool. Regenerate a specific web page or add custom multimedia elements to any course page with just a few clicks. Break language barriers instantly. Generate your course in multiple languages while maintaining instructional quality. Review your complete course, including navigation and LMS integration features. White label the course using built-in course theme design features. Publish your course with one click to Instancy Learning Management System and assign it to your students. Students access a fully responsive, multimedia-rich learning experience. Your course comes with an optional intelligent AI tutor, available 24/7 to answer student questions in multiple languages. Download the course as a SCORM e-learning course package to play the content on your LMS. Transform your MS Word document into interactive e-learning experiences with AI tutors helping engage learners, faster and easier than ever before.